Hey guys, it's Jessica, and welcome to Friday's edition of Mom Talk TV. Listen, I'm sorry guys for being so MIA lately. There is something that's going on that I'm hoping that maybe you guys, if you're watching, could help me out with. My son is going to be having surgery on the 18th, and I am scared out of my mind, nervous, and worried. He is having a surgery to repair a retractile testicle. His urologist and his pediatrician feel that this is the time to do this because he is in danger of it becoming completely undescended. And because I and my husband have struggled with our own fertility issues, I want to do and as much as I can and be as proactive as possible to preserve his fertility. It's very important to me because I know of that struggle. I'm so nervous and I'm so worried. You can see the bags under my eyes. I've been losing sleep over this. It's taking up a lot of my energy, and we're not even there yet. I have basically told him just what he needs to know up until the point he's going to fall asleep. I haven't explained to him the surgery. We're going to pre-surgical testing a week before. They're going to call me with the date. I still don't even know what time the surgery is happening yet. But the pre-surgical testing is kind of scary to me because he's not good with needles, and I'm sure that they're going to have to draw some blood. So I'm trying to make it fun, and I've bribed him. He's got gift cards for his birthday that we're going to use. If he does a good job, even if he doesn't do a good job, I don't care. I'm taking my kid to Toys R Us that day, and he's getting something that he wants. But what I have explained to him about the pre-surgical testing is that they're going to put stickers on him, the EKG, and that's kind of fun because you'll get to see your heartbeat. I told him that they're going to do the same thing that they do at mommy's doctor's office with the silly straw, and we're going to watch your blood this time go through the silly straw into the big tube, and he seems to be okay with it. We'll see what happens that day. The day of the surgery, I told him that we're going to his doctor's very big office, aka the hospital, where he's going to get to wear a very funny shirt that his hiney's going to stick out of. And that sent him over the moon. He's like, a shirt that my butt's going to stick out of? Awesome. I also told him that he's going to be doing a nebulizer treatment. He's going to have a mask, and the gas in the mask is going to make him feel really silly. So we're going to laugh and we're going to have a good time. And that's all I have told him. I think my biggest fear is him waking up before me and my husband get back into recovery. That is one of my biggest fears. I can deal with taking care of my son. I don't want him to be in pain, but I am his mother and I can do that. That's something that I'm prepared for. That's something that as parents, as moms, we deal with all the time. When our kids are hurt, we're there for them. My fear is him waking up and being scared. It's very scary to me because I don't want that to happen to him. And my sister-in-law told me because her child had the same type of operation, not exactly the same. She said that when they put the mask on him, like usually you're accustomed to watching your children fall asleep slowly, and it takes them a little while to fall asleep. But this is like they put the mask on him and he's out. She said his eyes might even be open. She goes, but he's completely out. So just prepare yourself for that. What advice do you have for me for surgery day? What would you bring? Do you have a son that has had this operation? Can you tell me what the recovery time is like? I don't know. This is where my head is at, and this is where I am right now, and this is why I have been so MIA. I also have I have a big show coming up with my band. I'm auditioning for a few other bands. I'm just trying to really keep myself busy. So I'm sorry that this was all over the place, but right now I'm all over the place, and that's just the way it is. So if you guys could offer me any kind of advice, or if you have any kind of suggestions how to make this easier for him, first and foremost. But if you have any suggestions for me to help me calm down, to be, I know he doesn't see this. My son is not here right now. He is at school. I don't talk about it in any other way than a positive, happy way when he is around. And I am very good at holding it together. But as soon as that kid's eyes fall down and he closes his eyes, I am going to be a mess. A mess. So, I don't know, comment, give me some suggestions, maybe some words of encouragement. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much, guys. I will update you as we get closer. Bye.